Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and organize layers in AutoCAD like a pro. If you're new to AutoCAD, layers are one of the most important tools you'll learn. Think of layers as transparent sheets that help you separate different parts of your drawing. Instead of putting everything on one layer, professionals organize walls, doors, dimensions, text, furniture, electrical elements, and other objects onto separate layers. This makes drawings easier to edit, manage, and print. Let's get started. First, open the Layer Properties Manager by typing LA and pressing Enter. This is where you'll create, edit, and organize all your layers. To create a new layer, click the New Layer button. AutoCAD will create a new layer with a default name. Rename it to something meaningful, such as walls, doors, text, dimensions, furniture, or electrical. Next, assign a color to each layer. Click the color box beside the layer name and choose a color. Using different colors makes it easier to identify objects and control printing through plot styles. After assigning colors, set line weights for important layers. For example, walls may use thicker line weights, while dimensions and text use thinner ones. This helps create professional-looking drawings when printed. You can also assign different line types to layers. Click the Line Type column and choose options such as continuous, hidden, or center. This is useful for representing hidden objects, center lines, and other drafting standards. Once your layers are created, make the appropriate layer current before drawing. Select the layer and click the green check mark or choose it from the Layer drop-down menu. Any new objects you create will automatically be placed on that layer. To move existing objects to another layer, select the objects, open the Properties palette, and change their layer assignment. This helps organize drawings that were created without proper layer management. As your projects grow, using a consistent layer naming system becomes increasingly important. Instead of creating random layer names, follow a clear structure that makes layers easy to identify at a glance. Many professionals use prefixes such as A wall, A door, A text, and A dims, where the prefix represents a category and the second part describes the object type. This approach keeps related layers grouped together alphabetically in the Layer Properties Manager. Consistent naming also helps maintain drawing standards across multiple projects, resulting in cleaner and more professional CAD files. You should also learn how to control layer visibility. Use the On-Off option to temporarily hide layers, Freeze to improve performance in large drawings, and Lock to prevent accidental modifications. For even better organization, create layer filters or layer states. Layer states allow you to save specific layer configurations and restore them instantly whenever needed. Finally, review your drawing and make sure every object is placed on the correct layer. Good layer organization not only improves productivity, but also reduces errors during editing and plotting. By creating logical layer names, assigning colors and line weights, and maintaining a consistent structure, you can manage drawings like a professional and make future edits much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.